Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the latest HP 15.6-inch HD MicroEdge laptop powered by the impressive 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor. With a base clock of 1.8 GHz and the ability to turbo up to 4.3 GHz, this laptop is ready to handle a variety of tasks, from content creation to gaming. The 15.6-inch diagonal display boasts HD resolution, 1366x768, featuring a MicroEdge design with a slim 6.5mm bezel for immersive visuals. The AMD Radeon graphics combo enhances your experience, ensuring smooth performance in modern applications. Under the hood, we've got a generous 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 512GB PCIe SSD. This dual-channel memory setup not only frees up the processor for optimal performance, but also ensures quick access to your favorite applications. The high-speed PCIe SSD contributes to faster app launches, enhancing the overall smoothness of your daily use. Battery life is a strong suit, offering up to 10 hours of mixed usage and almost 10 hours of video playback. Plus, the HP Fast Charge feature takes your laptop from 0 to 50% in just around 45 minutes, making sure you stay powered up on the go. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 combo, giving you fast and reliable wireless experiences. The laptop also features a 720p HD camera for your video conferencing needs, along with a multi-format SD media card reader. Running on Windows 11 Home, this laptop is not only powerful but also operates on the latest Windows platform, providing a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of applications. In summary, the HP 2022 newest 15.6 HD MicroEdge laptop delivers on its promises with a potent AMD Ryzen 7 processor, ample RAM, and a speedy SSD. If you're in the market for a reliable and powerful laptop for your everyday needs, this could be the one for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.